Dozens of first responders and rescuers came to Grimes County earlier today for a search and rescue exercise that mimicked real-life scenarios. News 3's Clay Falls was there and shows us how emergency workers are using technology as part of their tools for finding missing people. Clay?
Whitney, these responders spent the day simulating searches for missing people in both the water and woods. They also had help from drones and robots. First responders descended on Grimes County for something that could easily happen in real life.
We're simulating that there were fishermen on a boat, and it's not real people in the water. We have dummies that we put in the water. We also have at least 1 or 2 volunteers out in the woods that are pretending to be lost victims.
The annual search and rescue exercise included firefighters, police officers, and students at Florida A&M and Texas A&M. Jan Dufek is a Texas A&M PhD student from the Czech Republic. He uses robots to aid in search and rescue operations. Saturday, he and Bryan firefighters scoured Gibbons Creek Reservoir by boat while a tethered drone searched high above.
It's also my PhD project, is that we are trying to help responders to save drowning victims by combining this tethered UAV with MLA, which is unmanned surface vehicle, basically a robotic boat.
Researchers with Texas A&M were in another boat with Emily, an acronym for Emergency Integrated Life-Saving Lanyard, a small jet boat that can be remotely operated and used in water rescues. Once it finds people, they can grab onto it to float. And it's help from above that researcher Robin Murphy says is also helping unlock the challenges of search and rescue.
We believe that UAVs have a potential to be a game changer in wilderness search and rescue, looking for missing persons.
It's amazing to get to use something as cutting edge as robotics to help save people directly, and it's an amazing field.
Students at A&M have used drones as far away as Europe, working on tests with the Italian Coast Guard and for boat migration in the waters there. This is the first year the large-scale search and rescue exercise has happened in Grimes County. Reporting live in the News Center, Clay Falls, News 3, Whitney.
Thank you so much, Clay.